Good morning. Wow, what a week it has been. I hope you've had a fantastic week. As you can see, I got up and went straight to work again because I've been obsessed over these leads that are coming in and following up with everyone, just so I can make sure to give you the right follow-up plan as well. So I just stepped out of the shower and yes, I have not had a chance to do anything with this yet. Hey Cassie, good morning. Hey Michelle, good morning. We've had an awesome CE week and our behinds and minds got a little numb after it, but wow, what a great group of people, and we just learned so much from each other with stories contributing. Hey Catherine, good morning. And I just want to share with you some fun things for me this week have been our listing blasters. Like I shared in our community last night that there were 4 leads that came in on my house, and it's not even for sale right now. It'll be back on the market soon, but 4 leads that actually had real phone numbers and real email addresses, and I have followed up with all of them, and then one more came in last night. So it's working. It is working. They are real leads, so I'm very, very excited about that, and I will share exactly the follow-up that I used to get an appointment from one of the 4, and how it was a real conversation with real people, because a lot of times you say, Facebook leads, it takes time because it's all about the retargeting. It is the retargeting that matters. Now here's the situation. The lady that opted in to get more information about this house, she can't buy a house this big. So of course, right? I chatted with her for a long time. Hey Tanner, good morning. And I have an appointment with her for her to see one of Jay's houses that are 1,800 square feet. So that's how we do it. That's what you do as a salesperson. You connect, you find out who's buying. Hey Haley, good morning. And you end up showing them something else and selling them something else. Hey Monica, good morning. So today's Freestyle Friday. Go ahead and send me any of your questions. I love when you send questions, and I know sometimes there's a delay and I don't get to see it all. So type it on in now so I can address it. Hey Jonathan, good morning. And we can have a discussion around what your questions have been. We have contests running right now on Facebook, so we stagger them with our clients. Make sure that you are paying attention to that and interact with each person. That's what those contests are for, to really get engagement up, so that you can have conversations with each of them. And you can either do that right on your page, or you can do it in Messenger. Either way, just make sure they know that you are a real person, and you want to make sure that you're on friendly terms with everybody who is participating, so that they think of you when they think of real estate. That is all what Facebook is about. It's just a great way to network for free and build relationships. So use it for that. Use it for that. Being highly visible is what's going to make the difference. So what other questions do we have? Hey, Natasha, good morning. Okay, so let's go right on into property promotion and what is working. We know that lives from houses are working and getting immediate leads. So definitely do Facebook Lives. Hey Courtney, good morning, from your properties. And maybe you want to do, if you don't have any listings right now at all, maybe you want to say, hey, it's Friday, who wants to go see houses, and show some examples of some really good ones you would like to show to get people interested. Because remember what I've said about houses themselves. That's what people really are interested in seeing, and that's why the opt-ins work so well. When you say, hey, you see additional photos here, instead of sending the Zillow link. When you are promoting your properties and you put a Zillow link out there, then you are paying a lot of times. Hey Alice, good morning. When you boost those to get leads for other agents on Zillow. So let's not do that. Hey Bev, good morning. Let's keep all of those in-house. And congratulations, Bev, on your leads too that you got yesterday. Okay, so Natasha says, I have to add that I ran. I have called and emailed but have not heard a response. Do you have other? Okay, I can't see the rest of it right now, Natasha, but I'm guessing that you ran an ad and you've got some people that have responded. Here's the issue with all of that. Okay, this is what we're finding with the listing blaster. This is very, very common on your first ad. Okay, you've got to retarget, and what happens is all the leads that I got yesterday that responded and left their email address and their correct phone numbers, I even looked them up on Facebook, they're all real people, or because that was the third retargeting. The first ad that went out, there are going to be a ton of leads that come in that are not so good. They're going to give you bogus information because they don't know you yet. They don't even know if they're that interested. They're just, want a little bit extra information. So they're harder to reach out to. Now, try to look them up on Facebook and use Messenger. Because a lot of times if they came from Facebook, they've got to be on Facebook. So try to find them that way. Use Spokeo, S-P-O-K-E-O, to get a correct cell phone number or a correct name if you don't have those, if they gave you bogus information there. That should help as well. Hey Jody, good morning. And if you can, send a video text message. That's going to get through. Hey Sean, good morning. A video text message just saying, hey, thanks for opting in. Did you want to go see this house? Just like that, and very short, quick, so that it's easy to text. And a lot of times, hey Jan, good morning, you'll be able to break through that way as well. These people were a little different because they were on the third retargeting. So the first one, right, you're going to get a lot of bogus information and probably a lot more leads. The second one, you're going to get better. You could tell better. And the third one, like I told Zach last night, I said this batch of people, they are putting their real names in, their emails match their names, and they're all putting cell numbers in. It's a total different world because they're more qualified. They're more interested than the people who were on the first one because the second ad got their attention and the third ad got their attention. And Bev said, I know you probably said this when you first got on, but how do you reach out on a first attempt? Okay, so my first attempt with these people and have been very successful. Email first because they opted in to get the information. So email first. And then I'm asking them, I'm not asking if they want to see the house in the email. I'm asking them if they want, or if they're interested in living in the area or the neighborhood. Because, right, that diffuses it. Like, they're not put on the spot about, oh my God, do I need to buy this house immediately? Because I just want to know them. I just want to know that they're real. I just want to know that they're in the market. And then immediately following, I sent them a text message if they put their text messages in. Hey Bob, good morning. And I sent an additional video about the property and said, since you opted in and requested additional information, hey Paige, good morning, about this property, I thought you might enjoy seeing this. And if you'd like to personally see this home, please let me know so I can set it up for us. And I had conversations immediately from that because it wasn't a stronghold, it was providing information. And the second video I sent was kind of funny. So, Bev, those are just ways that worked for me last night when I was chatting with people. So I hope that helps you, and you could try that today. And if you don't have that second video, because I know Zach has made some of your slideshows for you on the listing blaster, just go to the house and do one. Thanks, Bob. Okay, good. That worked for you, Bev. Great. Just go to the house and do a quick video standing in front and share. Remember, not everything, just a couple of things. And you will have that extra information, that video on your camera reel so that you can just text out to respond to people who opt in for that. So I hope that helps. And always keep on your camera reel just a quick